Hello, my name is Nick Stamoulis of the digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. Today, I will highlight ways content marketing can help build a sales lead funnel for B2B companies. Content marketing has emerged as the cornerstone strategy for businesses to attract, engage, and convert new customers. Today, we'll dive into how content marketing can drive each stage of the sales funnel. Content marketing is more than just creating blog posts, videos, articles, or smaller types of content. It's about delivering valuable and relevant content to your audience at every stage of their buyer's journey. And what better framework to guide this journey through a lead sales funnel? The top of the sales funnel is all about creating brand awareness and attracting prospects to your company. This is where content shines as a powerful tool. By creating informative blog posts, engaging social media content, and captivating videos, you can grab the attention of your target audience and draw them into your ecosystem and into your brand. Once you've captured your audience's attention, it's time to educate and nurture them through the middle of the funnel. This is where you provide more in-depth content that addresses their pain points and challenges. Ebooks, case studies, webinars, and email newsletters are all really great examples of middle of the funnel content that helps build trust and brand credibility. At the bottom of the funnel, your focus should shift to converting leads into actual customers. This is where targeted content such as product demos, free trials, and testimonials come into play. By showcasing the value of your offerings and addressing any lingering objections, you can guide prospects and leads towards making a purchase decision. But content marketing doesn't just stop once a purchase is made. It's equally important and essential to nurture customer relationships post-purchase. This can be done through follow-up emails, loyalty programs, and valuable resources that help customers drive maximum value from their purchase of your product or your service. In conclusion, content marketing plays a pivotal role in every stage of the sales funnel. By creating valuable and relevant content that resonates with your audience's needs and desires, you can attract, engage, and convert leads into actual loyal customers. So don't underestimate the power of content and power of content marketing in driving business to your business. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Nick Stamoulis from the Boston-based digital marketing agency, Brick Marketing. Please be sure to visit our website at brickmarketing.com and follow us at Brick Marketing.